Alright guys, today is the first collection of your digital daily starter notebook. So, I have gone ahead and created this slide that has the list of the daily starters. For that first week from Monday to Friday, you had 5. Okay. And then the second week, you only have 4. Wednesday, you didn't really have a daily starter. So what you need to do, okay, there will be 9 daily starters that will be graded. You need to make sure you've met all the requirements that are asked in each daily starter. So like the vocabulary words, you need to have the vocabulary word, the part of speech, the definition, and your sentence. Other than that, it's pretty flexible this week. I didn't really put in too many criteria for how to set up your daily starter. So this will be in the module, so you can go in and look. Again, first block, you have all of these except for this one. Okay. The other blocks started at different times, so theirs are different. Second block, I'm pretty sure that we started on the 14th, and you should be going through and doing most of these also. And then fourth block, I think you kind of started right in here, so Wednesday the 16th or Thursday the 17th. Okay. All right, so we are going to switch real quick, and we are going to go to Google Keep. I am now in my Google Keep, and as you can see, I have quite a few people because this is how we've been taking attendance. And what I have to do is, you can see I have my labels created over here for second, fourth. So I'm going to go through and put all the labels in, and then I will go in and grade. What I'm looking for is basically that you have all the daily starters that you need for your class. And then again, for the daily starters that have the sentence, the word, the definition, the part of speech, all of those things should be in there. I'm also looking for your title. Okay, so for example, if you look at Paulina's and Christopher's, okay, they have the day, the date, and daily starter. That's what I need, because when I go into grade, okay, I don't want to sit there and try and figure out what day your daily starter is. So again, we have JR, he put his date in here, okay. Anna Nai did good to put her date. All right, so now here's the thing: if you didn't put the date, okay, you can, I'm pretty sure you can go in and modify your daily starter. So this person, don't look at the name, okay, all they need to do is go back to this daily starter, to the title, and put in the date for whenever that is. So now here's how I am going to get them. I put that list of daily starters up, okay? So you can go in, and if you have daily starters written, but you don't know if you shared it with me, okay? Well, all you have to do is click on your little person, and it brings up the people that can see your daily starter. So in your Google Keep, if you click on that person and there's no one shared, okay, then that means I don't have it. Yeah. So those are due by Sunday, 11:59. All right, moving on. Yep, I'm awkward. I can't find my stop recording button. Oh my goodness. It's the never-ending video. Oh, here it is.